एंड ऑफ कोर्स लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, सॉन्ग लॉन्च के लिए आए हैं, इस पार्टी एंथम लॉन्च के लिए आए हैं, तो बनता है द मोस्ट अमेजिंग म्यूजिक कंपोजर हमारे साथ, जो कि जिस चीज को भी छूते एकदम मेलोडियस बना देते हैं. गिव इट अप फॉर रोचक कोहली.
इश्क प्यार प्यार इश्क प्यार प्यार I believe in love love I believe in प्यार प्यार देखते ही तुझको.
रोचक इज अ म्यूजिकल जीनियस एंड अ डियर फ्रेंड, तो तारीफ करना बनता था, वो लिख के दी थी मेरे भाई ने. ओके, सो रोचक, यू एंड रमेश सर, आप दोनों आज के, मतलब अगर दिन की मैं बात करूं, इन चार बहुत ही प्रॉमिसिंग आर्टिस्ट के अलावा, दिस इज योर डे. तो रमेश सर, आई विल स्टार्ट विथ यू. यू नो, इश्क विश्क, इश्क तो सबको पता है, विश्क क्या होता है? थोड़ा आउट ऑफ वो जाते हैं.
रिदमिक है ना, इसलिए टाइटल अच्छा लगता है.
इतनी रोमांटिक, इतनी बढ़िया पिक्चर बना के सर आपने बस विश्क रोमांटिक है, मतलब रिदमिक है. अभी क्या बोलेंगे सर? हमने ये देखा यहाँ पे इनकी परफॉर्मेंस, मीडिया के साथ भी, वैसे भी. ऑफ कोर्स वी सॉ द थिंग ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से सर?
आप ये स्क्रीन पे देख के ही समझ जाएंगे कि ये लोग कितने टैलेंटेड हैं. इन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की है, इन्होंने बहुत सारे वर्कशॉप्स किए अपने पिक्चर शुरू होने से पहले, बहुत वर्कशॉप्स किए. और प्लस हमारे डायरेक्टर आज हैं नहीं यहाँ पर, बिकॉज उनकी कोई शूटिंग चल रही है उसकी पिक्चर की आउट ऑफ टाउन. तो उसने बहुत उनके साथ वर्कशॉप्स किए थे, उनके साथ रिहर्सल किए थे. और विजय गंगोली ने ये इतना अच्छा पिक्चर शूट किया ये गाना, एंड ही केप्ट इट दैट कि ओरिजिनल हुक स्टेप हमेशा रखे हैं इस गाने में. तो उसने उसको भी जस्टिफाई किया.
सर इतने साल हो गए, 21 ईयर्स इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, उसकी बात हम कर रहे हैं. तब भी फ्रेश था, आज भी फ्रेश है. तब 2 नए चेहरे लॉन्च किए थे. अभी आजकल के टाइम पे इट्स अ वेरी सीरियस थिंग कि लोगों को लगता है यार पिक्चर थिएटर्स तक कैसे पहुंचाऊं, लोगों तक कैसे पहुंचाऊं. यहाँ यू आर लॉन्चिंग 4 न्यू फेसेस. व्हाट वाज द थॉट बिहाइंड इट?
आई थिंक उस टाइम भी चारों नए थे. विशाल की भी पहली पिक्चर थी, शहनाज की भी पहली पिक्चर थी. मुझे लगता है अगर पिक्चर अच्छी बने, स्क्रिप्ट सही हो आपका, अगर म्यूज़िक सही है, तो उसके साथ आई थिंक पिक्चर चलती है. थिएटर में लोग आते हैं देखने, एक एक्साइटमेंट होनी चाहिए. और आप जब फिल्म ट्रेलर देख रहे हैं, माना टीज़र देखा आपने, गाना देखा, और जो आगे यूनिट्स आएंगे वो भी आप देखेंगे, तो आई थिंक वो एक्साइटमेंट लेवल और बढ़ेगी.
राइट सर, थैंक यू सो मच ये शेयर करने के लिए. रोचक, मजाक मस्ती अपनी जगह, बट हियर कमिंग टू दिस थिंग, इट इज साउंडिंग अमेजिंग. एज आई सेड, हिंदी पिक्चर का गाना लग रहा है, जो हम सब सुन के बड़े हुए हैं. अभी क्या थॉट जाता है आज के टाइम पे, बिकॉज एज वी से अटेंशन स्पैन इतना छोटा हो गया है सबका, है ना? इसको पूरे टाइम सबको आपने बांध के रखा है इस बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाने के साथ. व्हाट वाज इट लाइक?
यार आई थिंक वो जो फिल्म वाली जो बात कर रहे हो ना तुम, कि हिंदी फिल्म का गाना है, उसमें लाइक व्हेन वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग म्यूजिक, उसमें एक थॉट जाता है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इन दिस सॉन्ग, एंड मैं तेरे को सच बता रहा हूँ, जब मैंने वीडियो देखा, आई हैड टू ऐड द बेस टू द सॉन्ग. मेरे को बहुत सारी बीट्स और ऐड करनी पड़ी. मैं कहा यार ये तो गाने से ऊपर ये लोग आउट परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. So I have to make my song match their energy. So it's actually the whole team, the choreographer, the amazing cast, and इन्होंने इतनी मेहनत की है hook step पे इसके. So yeah. And yeah, so it's actually a team effort, and Sonu sir की energy is amazing. Aditya Dev has produced so well. Gurpreet has written it. मैंने बहुत मदद की उनकी. Just kidding.
That's so Rochak. Yeah, Nikita is here, of course. Melody in the house.
और मेलो तो हमने एज अ सरप्राइज रखे हुए थे ना कि वो आने वाले हैं, तो तुमने अभी बुलाना है इनको? नहीं, करते हैं,
लाइव करते हैं, थोड़ा गाना करते हैं. उससे पहले कुछ सवाल ले लेते हैं, अगर आप बोलो, है ना? हो जाए तो यस, इट्स ओवर टू यू. जो भी आपके मन में सवाल हैं, यू कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चंस. कहाँ से शुरू कर रहे हैं?
I'll start. Hi Rohit, Naila, Pashmina and Gibran. A huge congratulations for Ishq Vishk Rebound. I loved the teaser, I loved the song, loved the energy. My question is for Rohit. See, as I said, I really loved the song, I loved the teaser. You are also known as this generation's chocolate boy. Back when Ishq Vishk was being released, Shahid was also known as that generation's chocolate boy. So, now that you will be carrying this legacy ahead, is there also a newfound pressure? Because, there's, of course, there is growth, but again, at the same time, there will also be a lot of comparisons and things like that. So, how are you going to handle this? And again, at the same time, did you also get a chance to speak with Shahid?
Oh, okay. Firstly, ma'am, thank you so much for your question, and thank you for being here. So there are parts of this question which I'd like
Yeah.
to answer. I feel talking about how I feel to be a part of this legacy, I feel more than pressure. There's just a lot of gratitude because I feel like this is an opportunity that not many people get. And I don't want to dilute that by putting that kind of pressure on myself. Talking about pressure, I feel like सब इतना आसपास बोलते हैं pressure. I feel like I should start taking pressure because in all honesty, अभी तक I wasn't. So it's not like a remake of the first Ishq Vishk. It's not a sequel of the first Ishq Vishk. I think the thing that is common between the two films is that it belongs to the same franchise, but it's a new story altogether. It's a love story about Gen Z. It talks about a lot of things that Gen Zs kind of go through, which is why it's exciting. But I feel like अब मुझे मैं सोशल मीडिया पे भी पढ़ रहा हूँ जब से टीज़र आया है और गाने आए हैं एंड इवन द क्वेश्चंस दैट आई एम आस्क्ड इन इंटरव्यूज दैट डू यू फील प्रेशर सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू थिंक अबाउट दिस एंड मे बी आई विल फ्रॉम नाउ begin to feel some amount of pressure, but so far there's just been insane amount of gratitude to the universe, the producers, and just I'm very, very happy to be doing this. That's all there is to it. Did I miss anything?
Did you get a chance to speak with Shahid?
No, ma'am. I actually haven't had the chance to speak with Shahid, but I would love to. So if Shahid sir, you're watching this, I am going to wait for that day where I get to speak with you because I just want to say thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello. You're this side. Hi, this is Aruna from Bollywood Society. My question is for Rohit Tiu.
Hi, Aruna.
You have been paired up with Pashmina in the film, and people are eagerly waiting to see you guys on the screen. So tell us something about your off-screen and on-screen chemistry with Pashmina.
I love that you have already decided I'm paired up against with Pashmina. You don't know that yet, ma'am. There's a lot of things happening in this film which you may or may not get from the teaser. But what I can tell you about on-screen and off-screen equation with Pashmina is that she's crazy. Okay, I've had the most amount of fun shooting with her. It's a little shocking when I think about it and I look back. We've had fights like we're siblings. It is, and I know that my producers right now are going to want to kill me because, when you're promoting a romantic film, that's the last thing you should be saying. But in all honesty, I've had a blast shooting with her. She's so endearing. And I say this off camera and on camera. I cannot wait for people to see what she's done because she's so endearing on screen. She's going to make you fall in love in a second. You think about Pashmina and you're converted. So that was me for her. And I'm just so happy to be doing this with her.
Hi.
It was great fun.
Hello, hi, this is Amar. Congratulations, guys. Brilliant teaser, brilliant trailer, and what a song.
Thank you.
If I want to ask all four of you, what was that one thing which you learned about your art, about your craft, while shooting for the film that it surprised you in a way that, oh, I can do this as well, while shooting for Ishq Vishk Rebound? It surprised you in a good way, obviously.
I feel like what I learned about myself is that I need to trust myself a little bit more, I feel. Like there's, I psych myself out before like certain scenes and stuff. But what I did figure out in this film is that I can go without psyching myself out and still come out okay and, make my director happy. So I think that's one thing. And second thing I learned is that I can actually lip sync, which is very exciting. It was honestly like I wanted to do this for such a long time. And to be able to finally do this for multiple songs this time around was just so exciting. I think my most exciting part about shooting the songs was that, there's this one song where I got to do lip sync in slow-mo, which was so fun. I never thought that I could do it. But yeah, I managed to do it and I can't wait for you all to watch it. Yeah.
For me, I think that the other work that I've done has always required a certain amount of fierceness that I brought to my characters. And here I had to constantly remind myself of the vulnerability of fresh love and that new romance. So for me, the biggest learning was to constantly go back to that feeling of when you're first in love, the butterflies in your stomach, the lightheadedness. I had to kind of get myself into that zone repeatedly, and I think that's my biggest learning because it makes you a little bit more vulnerable and a little bit more, you can wear your emotions on your sleeve a touch more. So for me, that was the greatest learning on this.
Okay, so this was my first film, and I thought I had to go at it alone. But I learned that it's okay to ask for help. And I can say so fondly that each one of these people on the stage have helped me so much throughout the filming of the set, film, that, and I learned that in life also, it's okay then to ask for help. It's okay to be vulnerable like that. Yeah.
Sir, I feel that as a kid, acting was different, but now acting as an adult, you do get the jitters. But I feel I started trusting my co-actors, and I felt that really helped me because when they give us the energy while doing a scene, it just elevates your performance. मतलब जो आप prep करके आते हो वो वैसे होता ही नहीं है. Because when you're doing something, like for example, if it's Rohit and me doing a scene, I will feed off on his energy. So me just trusting his energy was something which I really learned, and I think that's one of the best feelings for an actor, to just trust your co-stars, because you're as good as your co-stars, to be very honest. Yeah.
Yeah, that word, it's a no-go for me. Yeah, so I would say even I'm a traditionalist, but what I do agree with from this, maybe it's something new, that you take your time and get into a relationship, you get to know the person, you set your boundaries, all of that talk, that I'm down with. Yeah, so maybe it's like a new form of traditionalist.
Yeah, I am an Ashik, yaar. Like, I'm old school. I'm just very old school. So, yeah, like Rohit said, we need to move ahead and we need to understand these things also. But I'm an Ashik.
Hello. Yeah, Ramesh ji, this side. Rajiv here. This side on your right. On your right.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you are the one common point between these two movies because you're the producer, and you have selected probably what was your most youthful movie at that time. So now how did you look at love then, and how do you look at love and teenage?
Wow. I love this question.
देखो, उस वक्त भी यंगस्टर्स का प्रॉब्लम था हमेशा, और आज भी है, वो हमेशा रहता है. पर आज एक अच्छी बात ये है कि अगर ठीक है, एक अच्छी जो आज के यूथ की बात ये है, अच्छी चीज़ ये है कि अगर आपकी पटती है, आपका प्यार है, समझो कभी कैसा होता है कि 1 साल 2 साल चला, फिर नहीं चल रहा है, कुछ झगड़े हो रहे हैं, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, कुछ रिलेशनशिप नहीं हो रहा है, तो दे ब्रेकअप ईजीली, जो पहले नहीं होता था, यू नो. तो वो एक, आई थिंक वो अच्छी बात भी है. दे फील हैप्पी, दे बोथ इंडिविजुअल्स आर हैप्पी, द पीपल आर हैप्पी. तो आई थिंक उससे दोनों चीज़ें सही है. उसको कोई ये नहीं बोल सकता कि उस वक्त सही था या आज गलत है, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता.
And second, what made you sign Nipun for the direction? At that time it was Ken, he was in a different...
निपुण ने 2-3 मराठी पिक्चरें बनाई थी, और निपुण को नेशनल अवार्ड भी मिला था, और उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन भी है स्क्रिप्ट में. जब हमने उसको स्क्रिप्ट पिच की तो ही लाइक्ड इट, लव्ड इट इमेंसली, एंड ही ऑल्सो ब्रॉट इन हिज इनपुट ऑल्सो इन इट. तो वो लगा कि हाँ, ये सही डायरेक्टर है, ये पिक्चर को सही बनाएगा.
Okay, my third and last question is for Pashmina. Pashmina, I met everybody in your family. I'm not so old, but I met your grandmother also.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
Your father's mother.
Yes.
And how do you look up, extending the question which was formally asked, how do you look up to this, living up to your, especially your cousin's legacy and your father's legacy? Because for example, what song of your father you would like to do a similar recreation and dance in?
Wow. Thank you for the question, and it's finally really nice to meet you as well. To answer my father's song, I would love to dance on Jab Chhaya Mera Jadoo. That's my favorite song by him, and it's got the grooves and the oomph. So I wish one day maybe. And while I said I do feel a lot of pressure, I am also surrounded by artists, and they're very, very, they give that the most importance. So when you give the art the importance, everything else is smaller. The pressure to live up to them or something. You create what you have to create. And you create that with love and care and emotion, and that will be valued. So I try to think like that.
Hi guys.
Okay, we'll take 2 more questions. Yeah.
Hi guys, this side Nawaz Kochra here from Indian Express. So I just wanted to, ask a follow-up question to what Nayan had asked about situationships. Ishq Vishk is a very special movie for millennials, and while this one is catering to the Gen Z, it is said that Gen Z is very clear when it comes to what they want in every aspect of life. Having played characters of which would relate to the Gen Zs, I want to understand from y'all that if y'all as youngsters today have one point in your lovers that is non-negotiable, or your partner that y'all, one quality in your partner that is non-negotiable for y'all, what would that be for each one of you?
Shall I start?
Yeah.
I think it was on the tip of my tongue. Definitely the idea of respect, right? I feel like that very word is kind of taken for granted a lot of the times in today's day and ages. So I definitely feel like respect is one factor that is a genuine, non-negotiable factor for me.
Dishonesty and ambition, actually, both are very, very important for me. I feel like dishonesty is also, there are so many grades of dishonesty now. It's really confusing. So I feel like with each, new relationship, I feel like there's also, you need to kind of understand what the grade of dishonesty works and what doesn't work. And I feel like ambition is one thing that's a non-negotiable for me. Like, it's a deal breaker. Like, you've got to be ambitious for me to be attracted and feel the love. So I feel these 2 things. Yeah.
For me, it is if someone feels the need to belittle other people, to put themselves up, that's a non-negotiable. I wouldn't want to be with such a person. Yes.
So I think loyalty is something which is non-negotiable. Like, I think, and that is really missing in today's generation, just being loyal to one another. So yeah, loyalty.
Is there a favorite iconic Bollywood love story that each one of y'all have, like something that y'all want your love story probably to be?
Sir, I would want Veer Zara, but that's not happening. So I just love Veer Zara. So yeah.
I would want Ye Jawani Hai Diwani and go on all those trips as Bunny. Yeah.
Now that you said that, I think I'm going to say Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, kuch travel ka travel, pyar ka pyar, dono mil jayenge.
I want to say something. It's not really Bollywood, but in all honesty, sir, I've grown up seeing my mom and my dad. They are the most beautiful love story ever, and I want that for myself. In all honesty, because like I feel like I love films and I look up to them and I want to be in them and I am in one. But like when I think about it, those are sure it comes from. I'm really deviating. Sorry about that, but just bear with me. I feel like those come from somebody's mind and imagination, but like mom and dad, they've had it and I've seen that growing up, so I want that for myself, and it's the most beautiful love story for me, so that's what I want.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
One last question.
Yeah, Rochak, this side. I'm raising my hand. Aditi from News 18. Congratulations for the new song. It's amazing, and as earlier it also has been said कि एकदम proper Hindi film गाना वो पुराने ज़माने का वो टच है. So were there any creative challenges to recreate this, to match up with this generation as well?
Yeah, as I said, we made some 17, 18 versions of it. And जब इनका मैंने video देखा तो I was feeling a little underwhelmed कि यार ये गाना is not matching up to their energy. So we had to change the song and we had to add a little more beats. Having said that, there are some amazing numbers, lined up in this album. There are around 8 songs, and I think each song, we've. And actually, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, normally brief जो मिलता है ना गाना बनाने का वो ऐसा होता है कि हमको hit गाना चाहिए. Everybody, पहला brief ही होता है. तो यहाँ पर जो what actually made me involved so much was, the fact that they wanted the songs to marry the script, to marry the film, to marry the energy of the characters. So, I think that was why I love this film so much, and this is going to be my favorite work. ever. Thank you.
ऐसा थोड़ा टैंट्रम्स देता था, थोड़ा कुछ क्या करते थे, थोड़ा
1 second.
Question
Why is she looking at me like that?
Shall I
We got the
spill
answer.
beans or not? Well, it's been an actual blast.
No.
No, I'll get to the juicy part soon. So, you know, when we started off, we were doing extensive workshops. So I got to know them on a very personal and vulnerable point, right? Because you kind of open up while जब आप workshops करते हैं तो खुल जाते हो एक दूसरे के साथ, quite literally. So I feel like when we got on set,
Just look at them also. They were also on set, you know.
सर आपने बड़ा ही juicy question पूछ लिया है अभी.
अब रोहित का क्या है ना, वो उनका एक ऑन ऑफ स्विच होता है, तो पता होना पड़ता है कि यू नो व्हेन इज ही इन द राइट फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड एंड मूड टू टॉक एंड चिल, और ही इज but I've forgiven you for that. Now during promotions I've forgiven you.
Thank you.
Pash is an absolute sweetheart because the guys used to gang up on us, so of course we as the girls we have to मिलजुल के रहना पड़ता है.
Right.
And
girls.
yes, and Gibran the
बोलना.
ये एकदम नौटंकी, which is great fun because you need someone to be the life of the party when somebody is off.
Oh my God! She's suddenly making me sound like I was one party pooper and I used to be this moody little bee, but I wasn't.
No.
You know, stop it.
Okay, I'll end on the note of saying that they were all lovely.
वाओ.
नाला बोला जाता है कि आज का जो दौर है उसमें ये जो यंग रोमांस है, रोम कॉम्स हैं, वो थोड़े कम हो गए हैं. ऐसा कहा जाए कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स अभी नहीं मिल रहा है. डू यू एग्री विद इट? आप किस तरह से देखते हो इस चीज़ को?
जी, इनफैक्ट जब यू नो मैंने ये स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी तो मुझे ये भी लगा दैट आई फील लाइक टुडेज डे एंड एज वी रिक्वायर अ फिल्म लाइक दिस. डेफिनेटली समथिंग दैट जो हमारी यूथ है उसके साथ आइडेंटिफाई कर पा रही है, राइट? दीज आर लाइक रोहित वाज आल्सो मेंशनिंग दैट इट्स समथिंग दैट जेन जीज कैन रिलेट टू. The lingo, the very fact that we have the word rebound in our title, you know, this is obviously it's a new age lingo that we all use, and I'm so excited to just be a part of a new universe because ज़्यादातर ये नहीं देखने को मिलता आज के ज़माने में, and I'm just happy that we have gotten an opportunity to explore something that we can bring थोड़ा सा अपने आप को उसमें हम देख सकते हैं, डाल सकते हैं, and लोगों को दिखा सकते हैं. तो yeah.
All the best, all of you.
Thank you.